all of you. So today we are going to do the mechanism of esterification reaction. Okay, what to do there? Mechanism of esterification reaction. So whenever we are giving mechanism of esterification reaction, then step number one. In the step number one, what to do there? You must see, all of you, RCOOH plus H positive. Then it becomes pair of electron will go over there. Then this becomes R C double bond O, then positive H, then it is OH. Clear? Is that clear to you? Now after that, beta, what we can do over there? We can just change this pair also. Pair also means this double bond pair can also come on this oxygen. Then further product will be R C. There will be a single bond. There is already a single bond. There was a previously one pair. Okay, and one more pair is going to come over there. This one, ये पेयर कहाँ से आया? ठीक है बेटा, ये वाला पेयर, दिस पेयर, ए डबल बॉन्ड वाला पेयर कहाँ पर आ गया? It came over there. This oxygen already containing these electrons, and this carbon is having now 1 2 3 bond. That is why there will be a positively charged. Is that clear? This is called protonated carboxylic acid. What do you call it? Protonated carboxylic acid. Now all of you, after that you see step number 2. So what we have taken over there? Protonated carboxylic acid, that we are going to use over there. Rc positive plus, again I am using ROH. Now what to do there? This pair of electron, okay, this pair of electron will go where? Yes, will make a bond with this one. Then the product will be R C OH. Then there is OH. ठीक है, और this O will attach this carbon OH R. Yes or no? It's like that only. ठीक है, ये भी क्या बन गया हमारे पास? दिस बिकम्स वन इंटरमीडिएट. बेटा सिंपल किया है हमने. अल्कोहल ऑक्सीजन का एक वन पेयर वाज हियर, दैट पेयर इज गोइंग टू अटैक विद दिस carbon, and this product has been formed. This is called tetrahedral intermediate. Now this tetrahedral intermediate, what we have formed there, we'll use it further. Okay, you see step number 3 now. All of you, step number 3. In a step number 3, what to do there? R COH OH, then O positive R, and then H. This one only we have made there. Now here simply we are doing the proton transfer. What we are going to do there? Proton transfer means there is a pair of electron. This proton can come, H positive can come this side. Okay, then the product will be R COH. Then here also oxygen R, then OH2 positive. Am I right? OH2 positive. Is that clear to you to all? Okay, this thing we have made, and just remember now there is a positive charge on the oxygen atom, and this one we have done by simply the proton transfer, by the proton transfer. Clear? This is the step number 3. Now after the step number 3 we are going to make step number 4. What we are going to make? Step number 4. In a step number 4, what to do there? Just see, all of you. There is the R, COH, then OH2 positive, then it is OR. So here we are just removing the water molecule, and after the removal of water molecule, what you are getting over there? You please see, all of you. RCOH positive, then it is OR, then it is OR. Clear? Means we are removing this water molecule from there. After that, now we are having a step number 5. What is it? Step number 5. In a step number 5, what to do there? RC double bond O H, then OR. Then what to do there बेटा? We have to form the esters. क्या बनाने हैं हमने? Esters बनाने हैं. So when we are going to make esters, then this H can be removed from there. Then what is left there? RCOOR plus H positive. Okay, what we have formed there? Esters. Okay. What we have formed there? We have formed the esters over there. Okay, so this is the mechanism of the esterification. Okay students, thank you very much to all of you.